can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tights, you in love with being modest.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Forever Shar, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do my gel nails or gel polish on my regular basic nails. If you have not already, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to follow or subscribe to Forever Shar's channel, where she does hair, nails, and whatever else that Shar posts on her channel. So everything you see in this video will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. I think I've posted this before. This is gel gel polish that I got from Amazon during the pandemic, and this right here is something that I got from Sally's Nails. I shop at Sally's Nails because they have like some really cute little gel polishes. And right here I'm going to be applying the dehydrator to my nails, and then I'm gonna go in with a primer. So if you have been watching my channel, you know that I use Mia Secrets, or I can't even think of the name of it right now, but Mia Secrets is my go-to. That's my girl. Shout out to Mia. I don't know if Mia is a person, but yeah. But anywho, well, I don't know if Mia is the name of the person that owns this company, but anywho, yeah, these are the products that I use. I know that I've been MIA, but your girl been going through some things. Your girl done had COVID. I just got over COVID. I've been working like a slave. Lord Jesus, like a slave. So I'm trying to just, balance life. I'm a mother and all of this good stuff. So just bear with me on posting. I have been trying to get this video posted for about a month and a half now, and now here we are. We're trying to get some content in here. I'm gonna apply this base coat to my nails. So my nails were prepped before this video was even recorded. I prepped them before I started recording, but I'm gonna go in with this base coat. And the base coat basically, to me, if you're very educated on gel nails, I just do my own nails because it's cheaper, and I'm not paying $180 or $200 to get no nails and feet done. I'm sorry, I'm just not finna pay that. But I'm gonna put my nails under the gel light, and I'm gonna apply the base coat to all the nails. I'm assuming that the base coat helps the gel to stick or whatnot, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I decided to go with black because for some reason black nails have been like my go-to these days. I'm enjoying doing my own nails. I'm enjoying learning. I'm enjoying, just saving some money. Like, if you want to save some money, go ahead and do your own nails. Learn. I learned from YouTube. Now, I'm not like a nail tech or anything, but I have been doing my own nails since about 2020, since the pandemic, since we couldn't go outside. Now that we outside, everything is expensive, and I'm gonna go back in the house because it's giving too much money outside. We're going to do the same thing as we did to the base. We're going to apply the black polish to all the nails, and you will see a few cleanups here and there. Now, I did do it a little sloppy, but I'm going to go in and clean it up. And I also did not paint my second coat that I'm familiar with, or that I remember in this video. I don't remember me recording me putting a second coat on. And I also did not do my left hand on camera because I had to kind of perfect that off the camera because I be struggling, y'all. When I tell you I'm struggling with that left hand, it's a struggle. This is what the nails look like after they were cured underneath my UV lamp. And of course, so I guess I did do a second coat on camera. I just didn't do my left hand on camera. So yeah, I don't want to tell y'all a lie because I kind of didn't remember if I did a second coat or not. But anywho, I'm going to be applying a second coat so that I can get the look that I'm satisfied with. And yeah, y'all just keep on watching. Now this is what both hands look like after they were cured. As I stated previously, I did my left hand off camera, and I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and I'm gonna clean that sticky layer off so that I can go ahead and put my top coat on. And this is gonna be like a polka dot look, so just again stay tuned and watch how I do my gel nails at home. But before we add the polka dots, we're gonna go ahead and file and shape the nails to our liking and clean up any sides that have, I think I had like a little bit of gel on my skin. So I'm gonna clean that up before I go ahead and do my next gel part of the nails, which are the polka dots. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the next part of my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and add some white polish to my little palette. I'm going to call it a cute little palette because I brought this from Amazon. I actually swatched my little colors on here, and then I use my dotting tool to dot. And it really came out so cute, y'all. So watch, I'm going to polka dot each nail with white. And this is what I'm going to keep doing throughout this part. So just watch. Once I am done, I'm going to cure this under my UV lamp, and I'm going to apply my top coat. I'm also not going to do my left hand on camera either. I think it's easier for me to do it off. You guys kind of get the gist of what I'm doing here. Yeah. Now that my nails have cured, I'm gonna go ahead and file, because sometimes when you add that top coat, it kind of makes the shape look a little funny again. I would say bulky. So I just go ahead and file it to, let me say my liking, because I always say that, but I'm gonna file it to my liking in the way that I would like for my nails to look and shaped. I'm gonna clean my nails up with some alcohol to get that sticky layer off. For some reason, I don't know, gel polish just leaves like a very sticky layer, and I don't want to have that stickiness on my nails when I apply my cuticle oil. Alright, now I'm applying my cuticle oil. This is literally the GOAT. This is my favorite cuticle oil, y'all. I got this from Amazon, and every time I run out, I go back to Amazon and I buy some more because it's my favorite. It smells good. It smells like honey. I mean, you don't want to fan your hands in the air and your hands stink, ladies. Like, fan it in the air and give them what they want. Give them what they need. Give them what some smell good. Give them some smell good. Nah, I'm just kidding. Cuticle oil is mainly for the cuticles. It helps the cuticles not look so dry, but it also makes your hands smell good, and I like for my hands to smell good, you know? Now let's get the rubbing this cuticle oil in, and then we're gonna see the finished result. So to me, it's kind of giving Catwoman with a cape, a white cape on. Yeah, Catwoman Ladybug. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, nails. Get into it. Get into these nails. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to subscribe to Forever Char's channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.